In 1986, Cleveland tried to rewrite its reputation with helium and hype. The plan? Launch roughly 1.5 million balloons at once. Shatter Disneyland's record raise money for charity Show the World. Cleveland wasn't a punchline. 6 months of prep. A net the size of a city block. Thousands of volunteers tying knots till their fingers cramped. September 27th arrives. Public Square is packed. Over 100,000 people. The sky is clearing after a nasty overnight storm. Perfect, right? Not exactly. Out on Lake Erie, 2 local fishermen never came home. Their boat was found adrift that morning. The Coast Guard starts searching. Back downtown, the organizers see another system rolling in. Rain, wind, delays would be a nightmare, so they push the button early. The sky erupts. A Technicolor cloud lifts off. An instant world record cheers confetti energy pure spectacle. But helium doesn't care about PR. Cold air and oncoming rain slam the balloons back down before they can deflate. Tens of thousands drift low, then lower. Burke Lakefront Airport, runways buried in rubber, flights suspended, streets piled with balloons. Visibility drops, fenders crunch. Crews bring in a bulldozer, yes, a bulldozer, to plow balloons. Meanwhile, the Coast Guard is trying to spot 2 men in choppy gray water. The lake is covered with bobbing colors that look exactly like life jackets' heads' hands. It's like searching for a single raindrop in a storm of confetti. 2 days later, the search is called off. Not long after, both men's bodies wash ashore. Cleveland got its record, briefly. Guinness quietly retired the category. The footage is still stunning, but the lesson sticks harder. Some stunts don't scale. If you take anything from this story, let it be this. Impact beats spectacle. Celebrate smart. Think past the headline.